Getting ready to head out. Not a lot of visibility.
At Spraying Systems Company, we believe in real sustainability. So instead of attending another corporate summit, our team set out to climb a real mountain, discovering that true change starts with tangible steps.
Yeah.
Let's trade empty pledges for practical solutions, cutting waste, optimizing resources, and constantly moving forward one step at a time. Join us on the climb to a truly sustainable future.